Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to apply Gamma Benzene Hexachloride Lotion. First, ensure your skin is clean and completely dry before you begin. This helps the lotion absorb properly. Next, apply a very thin, even layer of the lotion directly to the affected skin areas. Be careful to avoid getting any lotion in your eyes or on other sensitive mucous membranes. Always follow your doctor's specific instructions for the best results. When applying, make sure to cover all skin surfaces from your neck down to your toes. For most adults, about 30 milliliters of lotion is sufficient to cover the entire body. It's crucial not to apply the lotion to any open wounds, cuts, or broken skin, as this can lead to increased absorption and potential side effects. If you have any skin lesions, consult your healthcare provider first. After applying the lotion, you should leave it on your skin for a specific duration, typically between 8 to 12 hours. It's important not to wash it off sooner. Once the recommended time has passed, thoroughly wash your entire body with warm water and soap to remove all traces of the lotion. Do not reapply the lotion without explicit instructions from your doctor, as overuse can be harmful. Always keep Gamma Benzene Hexachloride Lotion safely out of the reach of children and pets to prevent accidental ingestion. Store the product at room temperature, away from direct sunlight or excessive heat, to maintain its effectiveness. Remember to check the description below for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite and other great deals. If symptoms persist after treatment, contact your healthcare provider for further evaluation and guidance. Your health is always the top priority.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.